Zukitika nepenyera rufaro muri yeZimbabwe. Regatite kurosoma kunyimandira Sorina ku news tinza kuti zvakamira sei. Sorina.
In our top stories, here is breaking news. Popular South African dancer Zodwa Wabantu has finally arrived in the country for the 2017 Carnival edition. We now cross over to our reporter Mbatata for more details.
Comrade Minister, what can you say about this new development that Zodwa Wabantu has finally graced the land of our forefathers, Zimbabwe?
Actually, I received the news with a deep sense of euphoria. I was elated, ecstatic, jubilant and thrilled with the news that the gorgeous, elegant, astounding Zodwa Wabantu was coming to Zimbabwe. And if she was not going to come, it was going to culminate in a diplomatic déjà vu.
Otherwise, we give credit to you for organizing such an event. Comrade Minister, what really do you have to say? Are you going to be part and parcel of this movement?
Yes, and I want to urge all the women in Zimbabwe to emulate Zodwa Wabantu and walk like that. They should walk like that.
But I think from the movement, Comedy Factory and all the other journalists, I should give you this medal. You are such a good organizer, Comrade Minister.
Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you.
What can you say about the medal, Comrade Minister?
No, thank you so much. I will make sure that you get a ticket to come and watch Zodwa with us.
Oh, that was Comrade Minister for a good organization and the team behind the scenes about the coming of the Zodwa Wabantu movement to our tourism sector in Zimbabwe.